Before you scroll away, ask yourself this one question. How does your iPhone know where you go, what you like, and what you might buy next? Your iPhone is not magic, it's data. And every single day, your phone quietly collects information about how you live, move, and interact with the digital world. The moment you wake up and unlock your iPhone, monitoring begins. Your screen time is logged, the apps you open are recorded, and your usage patterns are analyzed. Apple uses this data to improve user experience, but many users don't realize how detailed this information can be. When you step outside, your iPhone tracks your location. Whether you are going to work, visiting a friend, or stopping at a store, location services can record where you've been, how long you stayed, and how often you return. This data helps with maps, weather updates, and recommendations, but it also creates a digital map of your daily life. Ever talked about something and suddenly saw ads related to it? That's not coincidence. Your iPhone doesn't secretly listen to you, but apps you install can collect data based on your searches, browsing habits, and app activity. Most people tap Allow without reading permissions, giving apps access to location, contacts, photos, and sometimes the microphone or camera. Your photos tell a story too. Your iPhone can recognize faces, locations, and objects inside your pictures. Apple says this processing happens on-device to protect privacy, but it still means your phone understands more about your life than you might expect. Siri is another example. Voice commands, search requests, and usage patterns help Apple make Siri smarter. While Apple claims strong privacy protection, your interactions still contribute to how the system learns and adapts to you. Even your battery and motion sensors play a role. Your iPhone can detect movement, walking patterns, and device usage to improve fitness tracking and performance optimization. Over time, this creates a behavioral profile, not to spy on you, but to predict what you might need next. Here's the truth most people don't like to hear. Your iPhone only monitors what you allow it to monitor. Apple gives users privacy controls, but very few people actually check them. Location permissions, app tracking, ad personalization, background activity, they're all turned on by default for convenience. So no, Apple is not secretly spying on you. But yes, your iPhone is constantly collecting data to make your experience faster, smarter, and more personalized. The real question is not, is my iPhone monitoring me? The real question is, do I know what I've allowed it to monitor? Check your privacy settings. Review your permissions. Because in the digital world, awareness is power. This is only part of the story. There's more your iPhone isn't telling you, and I'll be explaining it step by step. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one.